All right, so Doug is doing a soil hardness test with this handy dandy hardness test.
That's a compaction test.
Compaction test, excuse me.
Soil penetrometer.
Anyway, fancy thing that tells you what?
Tells you how many PSI you have to push before the soil is. So we're going to go down. Now this soil was tilled a year ago. And that's not bad.
Not bad, no.
All right. Right there we hit 300 PSI, but we went through it, so about right there.
Okay.
So pull that back out. We're 2 notches down. 3, 6. So that wasn't too bad.
So let's go over here where it tested hard.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 inches. That's pretty good. That's pretty wet here.
Over here, where it always floods, all this is construction dirt from 50 years ago. Anywhere.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay.
Okay.
I can't do it anymore.
Okay.
So we got 2 notches. That's about the same as over there.
Okay.
Go back up. So how many? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 21 inches.
What does it mean?
It means compaction layers down 21 inches. So the roots will not be able to penetrate deeper than this. There's not a tree, there's not a plant.
Can go below that.
They can go below that.
Okay.
So your fertility, that's your fertility zone. Now there's a lot of nutrients below that, but the plant will never be able to get to it because there's not a plant on the planet that can penetrate more than 300 psi.
Okay.
So
is it good soil compaction, bad? What what's our judgment here?
well, you don't want any compaction.
All the way down.
You know, down forever.
Yeah.
Dr. Lane, she's found soil, I think around 250 feet. You know, the tree can just, tree roots that deep that she found inside a cave that had grown through the roof of the cave, and the depth was around 250 feet. So
why
you don't want any compaction.
So why would you think this soil right here is compacted?
Because there was construction in here at one time, and then tillage also causes compaction.
Okay.
So
all
that's
right.
what we're here to solve. Try to solve the compaction problem.
So in a minute we're gonna demonstrate what?
I don't know.
You just got a new tool. What are we gonna show?
Well, we just got a broad fork in today, and over here where we just checked the compaction, we're going in here. We only checked 1 spot, so let's check 2 more spots.
Okay.
15 different. Here's a spot, and I hit a rock, but we'll go through the rock. It's close, 300, but it's doing good. Doing good right there. Okay, about the same as it was, so there's definitely a compaction layer there. Down about what? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 inches. Which is about the same as ag field, ag soil. Now right there in the yellow, you know, plant's gonna have trouble there, but they'll get through it. Now that one, look at that, we're doing pretty good.
But this is right on top of the old septic tank, ain't it?
Septic tank's over there.
Yeah, okay.
So that's good right there. That's
not compacted soil.
Not compact, at least
okay.
For the length of the meter. Okay, so that's good. So
forgot to do an unboxing, but that thing right there, let's see. How's that? It's like the pitchfork from Freddy Krueger.
All right. It's Doug Ayers. Here we are in Brown County, Indiana. Just got my broad fork in and just assembled it. A broad fork is a tool or an implement for breaking up soil compaction. So quite proud of it. This was a pricey item. It's got nice metal handles here. And let's try it out. So here we go. You stand on it, you work it into the soil, and then you leverage it back, and it breaks that up. Now it does the same function as a tiller, but it doesn't have tines that continually push down and compact the soil below where the tines are at. So we just decompacted that area there, and it's nice and open. If you get up and close, look at this, you can see the openings in the soil where we just broke that up. So now this will recompact if we don't add biology back in there. Biology creates soil structure and keeps that air passages open. And that's the secret to restoring soil health. One of the secrets, or many secrets actually. So you stand on it and use your body weight to go down. This is a 6 tine unit. Oh yeah, look at that. Look down here what we did. Yeah, to me this looks like poor soil. No, very little color. There's some darkness up here, but it's just mostly construction dirt, looks to me like. Nah.
Seen worms?
No, I don't see any worms at all.
Got quite a few roots.
A few roots, but there's no really dark layer up here.
It's basically dirt.
Basically dirt. Oh, there's a worm. Look at that. There's a worm.
Yeah.
So that's a good sign, but it looks like poor soil to me. It's different ribbons. No, it's crumbly.
It's Brown County clay.
Got a little bit of clay in it, yeah. It ribbons a little bit. But
that's enough, probably 2.5 minutes.
This is what you do. Mom,
This seems pretty labor intense.
It is.
So who's going to be doing this kind of work right here?
Me.
Oh.
You.
But is it something you got to do every year? Or is it do one, supply the biology?
Once you open it up,
you're done?
it should stay. Once you get biology back in there, it should stay open.
Okay.
Yeah, it's...
But now a big farm field, you're not going to use this tool to do that with.
You're going to have a... called keyline plow.
Keyline plow.
Yeah. And it's got tines that kind of got little wings on them. They'll go up and down, and it'll get below the compaction layer and break that up.
Okay. But it won't do the damage that normal...
No, it's meant to repair the damage.
Okay.
The root or something.
Okay. All right.